In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Gumroad. If you want to stay informed without getting too many alerts, adjusting your notification settings is a quick and useful thing to do. Gumroad gives you control over which updates you receive, so you can tailor the experience to match how closely you want to monitor activity in your account. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options related to your personal and account settings. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Gumroad account, where you can manage different preferences and configurations. If you ever need to update account details or adjust how Gumroad works for you, this is the section you'll typically come back to. After you're in Settings, go to Notifications. This is the area where Gumroad keeps all notification-related options in one place, making it easy to review and update them. Depending on your workflow, you may want more alerts if you're actively selling and tracking activity, or fewer if you prefer a quieter inbox and dashboard experience. Now, turn each notification on or off based on your preference. Take a moment to read through the available options carefully so you understand what each one controls. This is helpful because some notifications may be important for sales activity or account updates, while others may be less essential for your day-to-day routine. Choosing only the alerts that matter most can help you stay organized and avoid unnecessary distractions. Once you've made your selections, click on Update Settings. This final step saves your changes and applies your new notification preferences. If you skip this part, your updates may not be stored. So it's always a good idea to confirm that the settings have been saved before leaving the page, and that's it. You've successfully updated your notification settings in Gumroad. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you manage communication from the platform. If your needs change later, you can always return to the same notification section and adjust the settings again at any time. This gives you flexibility as your account activity grows or as your preferences change.